1. Loss triangles, practical example scenario. An insurer wants to estimate the ultimate cost of claims for an XOL treaty with a €1 million attachment point. Steps: create the triangle, organize historical claims data by accident year rows and development year columns. Example data in euro millions. Accident year Dev Year 1 Dev Year 2 Dev Year 3 Ultimate Loss Projection 2020 0.81.11.31.3 2021 0.91.2 to 1. 2022 1.0 1.1 Calculate development factors. Development factor equals claim size at year N plus 1/claim size at year N. Example, 2020. Dev factor 1 minus 2 is equal to 1.1/0.8 is equal to 1.375. Dev factor 1-2 equals 1.1/0.8 equals 1.375. 2020. Dev factor 2 minus 3 is equal to 1.3/1.1 is equal to 1. 182 Dev factor 2-3 equals 1.3/1.1 equals 1.182. Project ultimate losses. Apply cumulative development factors CDFs to the most recent known value for each row. Example, for 2022, 1.0 times 1.375 times 1.182 is equal to 1.623. 1.0 times 1.375 times 1.182 is equal to 1.623. Projected ultimate loss. Outcome: this approach reveals whether claims might breach the treaty's attachment point. In this example, no projected losses exceed €1 million. 2. Catastrophe modeling, practical example scenario. A reinsurer wants to estimate the impact of a potential earthquake on an XOL layer with €10 million limits and €2 million attachment. Steps: define inputs, hazard, an earthquake with a 1-inch to 100-year probability M7.5. Exposure: insured buildings in the affected region worth €2 billion. Vulnerability: modeled damage ratio of 10% for buildings. Run the simulation. Simulate losses using geographic exposure and damage ratios. Example output: total loss equals €2 billion times 10% equals €200 million. Insurers' retention €2 million per policy reduces net losses to €50 million. Apply treaty structure. Calculate losses exceeding the attachment point €2 million. Example, 15 claims breach €2 million attachment. Total payout under XOL treaty equals min €50m, €10 million equals €10 million limit cap. Metrics generated: annual expected loss AEL, average loss per year €1 million. Probable maximum loss PML, 1-inch to 100-year event €10 million. Outcome: the reinsurer determines that the treaty's €10 million limit is likely adequate but adjusts pricing based on AEL and PML metrics. 3. Integration of methods in practice. Combining both techniques provides comprehensive insights. Use loss triangles for attritional and long-tail claims that develop over time. Leverage catastrophe models for high-severity events, especially for treaties with significant accumulation risks.